Hello, good evening. I am Rashi Sandeep Chudipal. Today's date is 23/8/2021. Our today's video topic is string methods, that is methods of string in Java. So in today's video we are going to see what is Java string and their types and methods. Okay, so we will go with our today's topic. In Java, string is basically is an object that represents a sequence of char values. An array of character works same as Java string. For example, we can see we have taken char array ch equals to in curly braces Java and string s equals to new string in parenthesis we have given ch is same as string s equals to double quote Java. Now, next point, that is Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operations on string such as compare, concat, compare to, equal, split, length, replace, and intent substring, and etc. The java.lang.string class implements serializable, clonable, not clonable, serializable, comparable, and char sequence interfaces. Now, we will going to see what is char sequence interfaces. The char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of characters. String buffer, and string builder classes implements it. It means we can create string in Java by using these three classes. And the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable string, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. Now we will discuss that in after some time. Let us see what is string in Java. So generally string is a sequence of characters, but in Java string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. Now we will going to see the methods that we used in the strings and that we have. The string class has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. And first is char at, and it returns the characters at the specified index, or we can say as position, and the return type is char. Now the next method, that is compare to method, compares to string lexicographically, and the return type is int. And there is another method that is compare to ignore case, and it means compare to strings lexicographically ignoring case differences, and return type is int. The another method, that is concat, appends a string to end of another string, and the return type is string. The next method, that is contains method, it checks whether a string contains a sequence of characters, and the return type is boolean. Now the next method, that is content equals, and checks whether a string contains the exact same sequence of characters of the specified char sequence or string buffer, and the return type is boolean. The next method, that is end with method, it checks whether the string ends with the specified characters or in parenthesis s, and the return type is boolean. And the next method, that is equals method, and compare two strings, return true if the string are equal and false if not, and the return type is boolean. Now there is another method, that is format method, returns a formatted string using the specified local format string and arguments, and the return type is string. There is the next method, that is index of method, returns the position of the first found occurrence of the specified characters in a string, and the return type is int. And there is another method, that is intent, returns the canonical or representation of for the string object and the return type is string. There is another method that is length, returns the length of the specified string, and the return type is int. There is another method that is split method, splits a string into an array of a substrings, and the return type is string array. The next method that is start with method and checks whether a string starts with the specified characters, and the return type is boolean. The next method that is to lowercase converts a string to lowercase letters, and the return type is string. And there is another method that is string, removes white spaces from both ends of a string, and the return type is string. So thank you for today.